Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. We are back on the Toyota Tundra. We're installing some wheel spacers today. I haven't done this for a long time, but we're gonna put some nice fat wheel spacers on my OEM 2021 Toyota Tundra. I think they're just TRD wheels. They look really, really good. I'm gonna show you guys how to install them, very simple, and what it looks like before and after. So let's go to the truck right now. Okay, so currently here's the Toyota Tundra. That's the current look. It is on jack stands right now on that side. Here's the passenger side, current look. What we're doing is we're going to be looking for a little space to space it outwards. One, to give it a little bit better handling, and two, mainly for aesthetics. Mainly to make the Toyota Tundra pretty much just look better. So what I got here is some KYX spacers. These are 1.5 spacers. They're really nice. Price is $125 for all four of them. We're going to be doing equal across. You're going to need a 22 millimeter with either air impact or an impact gun to remove the wheels, and then you're going to need a 19 millimeter to install these ones. Very simple. It's going to be 10 bolts per corner. So we'll do 40 bolts today. So let's go ahead and start with the rear right, or the driver's side, so rear left. So let's go ahead and pull the wheel off and then install these. Okay, super simple. Once you get the wheel off, all you literally have to do is come out here, take the new part that they provided with you, and slide it on. These are hub Centric, so it should fit snug around that middle ledge. Okay, definitely fits snug. So what we're going to do is take off all of these 19 millimeters and put them in here, and then we'll do it in a star bolt pattern. It's pretty simple. It's just like putting a wheel on, but it was just a new spacer. It looks going to look really, really nice. I like this brand a lot. It's very aesthetic. All matte black, matches my truck. So it's starting to look really, really good on the Toyota Tundra. Okay, so once you've done lefty-loosey, pulled all the supplied flat lug nuts off, you're going to do is going to go in a star pattern. So we'll start here. We'll go righty-tighty, like that. And then we're going to do the same thing down here. And then we'll come across. And the same thing. Got one more. There we go. So now that that's on, all you literally have to do is put the wheel on now. And it's going to look really nice. It'll give it this nice spread stance look on the rear. We'll go ahead and put the wheel back on, and I'll show you it with the wheel, with the car up, and then we'll put the truck back down. All right, just did the same thing, star pattern, do. So you do a do, just like that, star. They're all tight on here, it goes on evenly. I should probably clean this just a little bit more. Black wheels always seem to, they look really good, but they get dirty. I mean, it just washed the truck, they get dirty so quick. Okay, so we do have it on there. You guys should be able to see in there. It's not the width of the actual brake rotor, which probably would have looked slightly more aesthetic if it was that same width as that, because now it goes brake rotor, then the spacer, then the wheel, but whatever, it doesn't matter. You can't even see it. So I will be doing it probably red brake rotors to match that soon, the center TRD, but we've gotten one done. I already can tell it's way more aesthetic. Yeah, that's sick. That looks awesome. Again, for $100, especially with these OEM wheels, this is gonna make it look so much nicer. I still get the Michelin, whatever these Michelin tires are, I still get the nice ride quality because the truck rides really nice right now without having the big meaty tires that kind of stick over the wheel. This is going to look really, really good for $100, $125. You can't beat this. Looks really nice. So let's go ahead and do the driver side front. Okay, so we have the front run off. This is a little dirty in here, so I will take a little bit of WD-40 and go over it with a little brush here, and then detail this brush just like that, so we get a nice smooth flush surface. You might even want to take a wire brush because you don't want it to not sit evenly and get a little uneven tire wear. So let's do that now. Oh my gosh, that looks so much better. That rear, oh, that is awesome. So I got one side done. Again, just 10 bolts, totally worth it. The truck looks so much more beefy now. So I got the 3-inch lift, leveling kit, exhaust, black bumper, new tail lights. Everything looks really good on it. Definitely could go for a bigger tire, but I like the functionality of these ones. So let's go ahead and flip the truck around to the other side. That is so much better. Oh, that is awesome. Okay, so this side doesn't have it. It's definitely more, I guess you'd say dorky. I don't know, not as aggressive. It's kind of dorky. It kind of like sits, it definitely sits way too much inwards. So 1.5 inch is really good. I had no rubbing so far, so I don't think you'll have any rubbing. Again, I do have 3-inch lift on the front. So right on line though, that it doesn't do that. It doesn't rub. But wow, that looks way more beefy. That's totally what I wanted. Yeah, so let's do this side now. Oh man. Man, I like clean aesthetic builds, and I think I'm doing a really good job with this. This isn't like redneck. It's just really nice. It's like you can still drive it through town and it looks clean and aesthetic, but it just looks more manly too, you know. That is awesome. I feel like I got oversized tires now. It's just so much better. That is so much better. So let's go ahead and do a nice intro and we'll wrap up the video. Just like that, pretty easy install. It's literally like just, man, it's pouring down rain. It's just like taking your wheels off and then installing your wheels back on. Literally what it is. All you have to do is install these. Make sure that you get a nice, clean, flush surface because these are hub centric and you want it to be flush on there. That's a big deal. Clean around that brake rotor and set them on there perfectly. You shouldn't have to get in alignment. It should keep the same. Everything should be fine. Handling is way better already. I can actually feel the truck feels like it has sway bars on it, or it has a little bit better handling. I can actually feel it right away, which is something I really wanted. The truck kind of always felt a little high centered, especially since I did the 3-inch lift. So I really like this. I think that's something I really recommend. Should keep the same miles per gallon, so it shouldn't affect that, but it just looks way better. It gives it a slight better handling. And for like $100, it's one of the best mods you should do. So I highly recommend it. Make sure to like, subscribe, always swing by MITSUBISHI.com, guys. This truck is just about amazing. I think all I gotta do now is just tint the front windows, and literally that's about it. It's pretty awesome. So make sure to like, subscribe. It's pouring down. I'll see you guys on the next video.